नाउ यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग मैम रोज पढ़ाती हैं और रोज बोलती हैं ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट यू नो बेटा टीचिंग इज अ जॉब जहां पर हम लोग इतना ज्यादा पढ़ाते पढ़ाते ना ये चीज याद हो जाती है कि कौन सी चीजें आती हैं एग्जाम में और कौन सी चीजें नहीं आती हैं, ठीक है। सो टुडे आई विल डिस्कस अ प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन विच इज already done by me in the previous class, but I will take that question again. The same pattern will be same, but the question will be different, and you all will be doing along with me. Okay, everybody has to do it along with me. So my question is, subtract the sum of 2p square minus 3q square minus 4pq and minus 3p square minus 7pq plus 8q square from the sum of p square minus q square and 3q square minus p square. I will request everyone to first note it down this question, and then we will discuss how this question will be solved. This I think so everybody knows because we have already discussed this pattern. But now, for now, you just noted down this question and let's start this question. And then we will start new exercise today, and we'll try to cover up more and more questions related to it. Sir, why students of 6th joining here?
Ma'am, please on your video.
The video is on, but actually I was seeing the participant list. That is why it was not visible.
Okay,
now
ma'am.
I believe you people have written the question. Now let's discuss. Subtract the sum of. Now leave the subtract part. हाँ, subtract part अभी छोड़ देते हैं. The question says the sum of this expression and this expression. ठीक है? We are talking about the sum. तो पहले हम क्या करेंगे? इन दोनों का sum solve करते हैं. Then downside, if you see, it is written here sum of this and this again. So first you take out the sum of these two, and then we will take out the sum of these two. Just a minute, a call is there. Hello. भैया फ्लैट नंबर 202 सेकेंड फ्लोर. फ्लैट नंबर 202. आप बेल बजाइए. ऊपर सेकेंड फ्लोर. आपकी आवाज आ रही है. आपकी आवाज आ रही है. सीढ़ियों से चढ़ के आइए. Yes, now look at your subtract the sum of these two. So I am doing now this time directly. Okay. Now look at here. You can do it by the process. I am writing directly now. This is 2p square and this is minus 3p square. जब हम इन दोनों को solve करेंगे, then we will get it minus p square. Why minus p square will come? Because एक minus में एक plus में जब solve करोगे तो minus 1 आ जाएगा. तो it will be minus p square. Now this is minus 3q square and this is plus 8q square. So when you will solve it, it will give you plus 5q square. Now moving ahead with the next thing, it is written here minus 4pq and this is minus 7pq. When you will add it, it will give you minus 11pq. I believe this still here, is it correct? Have you done this one? This part, is it correct? Okay, very good. Now moving ahead with the next thing. Again, it is written the sum of these two. तो आप पहले एक काम करते हैं, ये वाला आया आपके पहले वाले आंसर से. Now take out the next one. This is p square and this is minus पास माइनस पी स्क्वायर, जब सॉल्व करोगे तो ये वाला पी स्क्वायर ये वाला पी स्क्वायर आपस में कैंसिल हो जाएगा. नाउ वी विल हैव क्यू स्क्वायर टर्म. नाउ इट इज रिटन माइनस क्यू स्क्वायर एंड दिस इज रिटन हियर प्लस 3q स्क्वायर. जब सॉल्व करोगे तो यू विल गेट इट ओनली 2q स्क्वायर. एक एक्सप्रेशन ये आया, एक एक्सप्रेशन ये आया. नाउ टेल मी, you are also getting the same as I have got it, or you are getting different from it?
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, mine is correct to this.
Okay, fine. Raise your hand who are getting the same. Raise your hand who are getting the same, beta. Facing a lot of network problems. So now moving ahead, your question says that subtract the sum of this. मतलब इसका जो आंसर आया है, that is this one. Subtracting from this answer. So subtracting from this answer, तो from वाला number ये हो जाएगा 2q square. Then minus, because we are solving the subtraction, so here it will be atq. Atq means according to question. So this will be 2q square minus. Now when you talk about another term क्या है, ये जो हमारे पास पहले आया है, it will be minus p square plus 5q square. भैया रख दीजिए वहीं पे. So it will be minus p square plus 5q square plus 11 pq. Now when you will open the bracket, it will give you 2q square minus. अब now see, अंदर side के पूरे bracket पूरे sign will become change. So this minus p square will give you plus p square plus 5. It will give you minus 5q square plus 11. It will give you minus 11 pq. ठीक है. Now this will come. Now you need to solve the answer only. Now let's see कितनी चीजें solve हो रही हैं. p square के साथ कोई नहीं है, अकेले है, तो only p square will come. Now minus 5 and this is here minus plus 2. It will give you minus 3q square. And the last one is minus 11 pq. Now match your answer and tell me whether you are
Ma'am, my
getting
answer
the
is
same
absolutely
answer
correct.
as I have
My
got.
answer is also.
Ma'am,
Very
ma'am,
good. Who are having the? हाँ बेटा बोलिए.
ma'am, in the earlier, ma'am, you have written minus p square plus 5q square and ma'am minus 11 square. But ma'am, in that, ma'am, after that, ma'am, you have written in question plus 11q square.
एक minute. Where you are asking beta?
Ma'am, at the down of from the sum of p square, ma'am, at that line only down.
हाँ, so बेटा उसमें यहाँ पर देखो ना, आपने बाहर ब्रैकेट में के बाहर माइनस का साइन था ना, तो अंदर के जितने भी साइन होंगे वो आपस में चेंज नहीं. हाँ, करेक्ट. Very valid point. This is minus 11 and I have written here plus 11.
Yes, ma'am, that you have written plus 11.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, सही है. minus 11.
Ma'am,
तो यहाँ
more
पर
question.
यहाँ प्लस आ जाएगा, यहाँ पर भी प्लस आ जाएगा, बस और कुछ नहीं. Only sign will become change. Now I hope it is correct. Is it correct now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, student who have got this answer correct, will you please raise hand so that I can come to know that किसका किसका answer सही आया था and they have understood. Anjali and Amit, correct. Okay, 3 students, 4 students. Beta, this type of questions are coming of 4 marks, not less than 4 marks. Generally, they come of 4 marks only. Now, I want to give you one question before I proceed to the next exercise. Will you do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, today you don't do any new exercise, ma'am, because we are facing too much of network problem.
Okay, okay. Chalo, I'm rubbing this, huh? I am rubbing this one and then let's have it, the new thing. Those who are noting, please note it down faster. of perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 2x plus 3y and breadth is 6y. With an equilateral triangle with an equilateral triangle. All of you note down this question. Angle, just a minute, ना एक minute. यहाँ पे now we have equal is 6y and equilateral triangle with side 4y unit. ठीक है, this is the question. Now, if you see this question properly, we have to find out the difference of perimeter of rectangle, and we have another that is equilateral triangle. ठीक है, and both the figures are one is rectangle, one is equilateral triangle. आपको क्या करना है, perimeter का ही difference निकालना है, perimeter का ही difference निकालना है. ठीक है, perimeter of. तो एक काम करते हैं, this type of question you will get it in COMET also. The same pattern of question you will get it in the COMET also. तो सबसे पहले शुरू करते हैं rectangle को लेकर के. ठीक है, now this is rectangle, length is given this, breadth is given this. तो सबसे पहले can you tell me by using your chat box? अरे यार, I have written only. Sorry. I am asking what is the formula for finding the perimeter of rectangle? And what is the formula for finding equilateral triangle perimeter? Can you tell me, please?
Ma'am, for rectangle, it is 2 into L plus B.
Okay. And what is the formula for finding equilateral triangle perimeter?
Ma'am, sum of all sides.
Okay. Sum of all sides. और क्या लिख सकते हैं? Sum of all sides की जगह और क्या लिख सकते हैं?
Ma'am,
Side plus side.
ma'am, side plus side.
साइड प्लस साइड, उसका मतलब क्या होगा? इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल कैसा होता है? रेगुलर फिगर होता है.
3 into side.
फिगर हैज absolutely Ananya said no, 3 into side. Absolutely
Yes, ma'am.
correct. It will be 3 into side, है ना? So now look at here. Equilateral triangle will give you 3 into side. I have written it 3 into side. Now a rectangle means 2 into length plus breadth. I have written 2 into length plus breadth. ठीक है, अब इस पे वैल्यू को रखते हैं और ये क्वेश्चन बड़ा सिंपल हो जाएगा. देखो 2 into बाहर रहने दो. नाउ L क्या है हमारे पास? 2x plus 3y. रख दिया वैल्यू को मैंने. नाउ ब्रेथ कितनी है? 6y. उसको भी रख दिया. नाउ लेफ्ट इट हियर ओनली. नाउ कमिंग टू दैट साइड, 3 into साइड. और जरूरी नहीं है बेटा आप ऐसे ही करो. ठीक है, आप इसको अपने अकॉर्डिंग जो आपने बोला था ना, साइड प्लस साइड, आप वो भी कर सकते हो. तो अगर आप साइड प्लस साइड करोगे तो ये हो जाएगा 4y plus 4y plus 4y which will give you 12y only. ठीक है, और अगर आप इसको मेरी मेथड से करते हो then too it will only come 4y only, sorry 12y only. That answer will not affect. हाँ, it will give you 12y when you will solve it. and इसमें solve करते हैं. Now look at here, first we will solve the bracket. 2x के साथ कुछ भी नहीं है solve करने के लिए, तो 2x will remain like that only. 3y and 6y will be added together, will give you 9y. I hope this is fine. This is okay,
Yes.
beta now. ठीक है. Now we have got both the side perimeter. Can you tell me in this step, do you have any problem? In this step, do you have any problem?
No, ma'am.
Now the last process comes difference. Difference means क्या होता है? Subtract करना. डिफरेंस के लिए सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी होता है बड़ा नंबर माइनस छोटा नंबर. लेकिन हम समझे कैसे कि बड़ा कौन है? देखो बेटा, जिसके पास ज्यादा टर्म है वो जाहिर सी बात है बड़ा हो सकता है, ठीक है। तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, हम रेक्टेंगल के एरिया को बड़ा मान के चलेंगे, ठीक है। अब नाउ पहले क्या करते हैं, पहले इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। इट विल गिव यू, जब मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 2 2 जा 4x, वी विल यूज चंगो मंगो समोसा चटनी, हाँ 2 2 जा 4x, और यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 2 9 जा 18y, ठीक है। नाउ आई एम फाइंडिंग आउट द डिफरेंस ऑफ इट, so I am writing here the difference part. Difference is equals to, difference means subtraction, so this will be 4x plus 18y, ठीक है, written here. Now equilateral triangle का क्या आंसर है, -12y, क्योंकि एक ही सिंगल टर्म है तो ब्रैकेट लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर एक से ज्यादा टर्म होते तो हम यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट यूज करते, जैसा कि हमने हर क्वेश्चन में माइनस के बाद किया है, ठीक है। बट ये क्वेश्चन में केवल एक सिंगल नंबर है, दैट इज ओनली 12y, दैट इज व्हाई आई एम नॉट टेकिंग एनी साइन विथ इट और एनी ब्रैकेट विथ इट, हाँ। नाउ लुक एट हियर, 4x will remain like this only. Now this is 18y, this is 12y. When you will subtract it, what will you get it? What will you get it? Will you reply?
Ma'am,
18y, 6y. Correct. It will give you plus 6y. And in the answer, please write it down. Mention the unit. Unit means only unit. UNIT. Because we don't have any unit in this question.
Correct,
So this
ma'am,
Correct.
Fine. Good. Anyone who has not understood or anyone who is facing problem in this question, जिसको समझ
understood
में
very
नहीं आया हो, okay. As Gayatri said, and not only Gayatri said, there are some students who are really facing the network problem today. So if you say I should start the class, you just vote it. Vote means you just, by voting you tell me whether I should start the new topic, because I was prepared for the new exercise today. Now as you say I should take the question
Ma'am,
of
please
next
start.
exercise.
No, ma'am.
नहीं नहीं, एक मिनट,
Ma'am,
एक
my
काम करते
network
ना,
is very
ऐसे नहीं,
good.
ऐसे नहीं, जिसका नेट, बेटा एक बच्चे से नहीं होता ना, आपकी क्लास में बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं ना, तो हम लोग ऐसे इनजस्टिस सबके साथ नहीं कर सकते ना। वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन ऑफ अदर आल्सो। स्टूडेंट प्लीज लेट्स वोट इट। दोज हु वांट आई शुड स्टार्ट अ न्यू एक्सरसाइज टुडे, प्लीज रेज योर हैंड। दोज हु वांट आई शुड स्टार्ट अ न्यू एक्सरसाइज टुडे, जस्ट रेज योर हैंड। Okay, just raise your hand. Only Anjali and Amit are raising hands. 2 students. Khyati also raising hand. इसको हम दूसरा वाला उसको यूज कर लिया करो। Equilateral triangle with side 4y, नहीं sorry 6y and square having side 12y. This is one question. Now second question, you have to find out the difference between these two, huh? Equilateral triangle, measurement is already given of one side, and square also the measurement is already given here. And last one more question I am giving you here. What to take? पैरेललोग्राम अभी आपने पढ़ा नहीं है, ट्राइंगल अभी पढ़ा नहीं है। रेक्टेंगल with length is equals to 3a minus 2b and breadth is equals to 6a minus 8b, and then square with side 20a minus 8b. Chalo, let's do this. Anyone who is not understanding any question out of these two? किसी को प्रॉब्लम है इस क्वेश्चन को समझने में, या or any other problem? Should I tell any question out of these two, or will you try?
Ma'am, done.
Okay, very good. Done both?
Ma'am, we will try, then I will tell you.
Okay, fine. After matching both the question, we will end the class. Okay? I am giving you one more, no, not one more, 2 more minutes to have this question. Aditya, better till you pause the recording. Remember, difference means हमेशा जब difference word use किया जाता है, it means we are talking about बड़ा minus छोटा, greater minus smaller. तो यहाँ पर जाहिर सी बात है, दिख रहा है 48 बड़ा है, तो 48y minus 18y will give you 30y. This will be the difference of this question. ठीक है? अमित, have you understood? आपके क्वेश्चन में ये आंसर रॉन्ग था बस. It will not be minus 30y, it will be 30y. Fine, Amit, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now moving ahead with the next thing, I am rubbing this one. If you say, okay, I am talking about now the next thing, which is a rectangle with this and this. Measurement is given. So rectangle ka perimeter, when you will take out, it will be 2 into L plus B. So I am putting directly L plus B means 3A minus 2B, then plus B, मतलब 6A minus 8B. ठीक है, ये हो गया आपका डायमेंशन फॉर पेरीमीटर. पहले निकाल लेते हैं इसको. It will give you 2 into, now ये 3A, ये 6A. When you will add it, it will give you 9A minus 2B minus 8B. It will give you minus 10B. अब ये ब्रैकेट जब ओपन होगा तो आंसर विल बी 9 2 18A and 10 2 20B. So this will be the solution for perimeter of rectangle. Now we will take out the perimeter of a square which is given here. So square के लिए it comes 4 into side. So let us put the side. Side is 20A minus 8B. Now when I will put this one, it will give you 20 into 4 will give you 80A and minus 8 4 जा 32B. 8 4 जा 32B. अब ये क्वेश्चन बन गया बिल्कुल वैसा जैसा हम लोग सब्ट्रैक्शन के समय करते हैं. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर बड़ा वाला देखो, इसके टर्म देखो, 80A और 32B दोनों टर्म बड़े हैं, इसमें दोनों टर्म छोटे हैं, तो बड़ा वाला कौन हो जाएगा? ये वाला. So when you will solve it, it will give you 80A minus 32B minus 18A minus 20B. जब आप ब्रैकेट ओपन करोगे, it will give you 80A minus 32B and it will give you minus 18A plus 20B. अब नाउ सॉल्व करेंगे तो 80A में से 18A जाएगा तो यहाँ पे बचेगा 2, I think 62 ना, 62.
Yes, ma'am.
And it will give you minus 12B. Finished. Anyone has any problem in this? Or understood?
Understood.
Who has, okay, those who have understood, they can, by taking the screenshot, if you can take the screenshot and you can leave also. And those who have any confusion, they may wait and they can ask.